Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I actually have another review from Sweet Girl Wig. We're gonna open this wig. We're gonna see what it looks like. Mommy, here. We're gonna open this wig. We're gonna see what it looks like, and yeah, so stay tuned for this video. You guys do not want to miss. Guys, I got another wig from Sweet Girl wig with Amazon. It's pretty soft. It's pretty thick. And this is their company, Sweet Girl. It came with an edge brush. It always comes with edge brushes. I love it because I can add to my collection. A lace band and wig caps. I'm gonna start the process of bleaching this wig. This is gonna be my first wig that I actually bleach. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. It looks pretty good. Looks pre-plucked. So it's gonna be pretty easy to bleach. Alright you guys, so I bleached the wig. I plucked it. And now I'm about to install, don't mess with her. Now I'm about to install this wig and see how it looks, how the outcome comes, and it's gonna be like. So stay tuned, because I'm about to do this install and you guys do not want to miss. I think my cap is about ready to get cut. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair look. And that was my first time bleaching, so I want y'all to let me know how I did in the comments. But yeah, let me know if you like it or not. So you guys, it is day 2 for when I reviewed this wig, and I actually like it. Yesterday I had a ponytail in, and today I just did like a side work, but it's really cute. It's thick. I did my review mainly on TikTok because y'all, I was so focused on making this wig look perfect the other day. I could not multitask, if you get what I'm saying, but yeah, this is how it looks. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel with another video. And since I didn't get to make this review on this wig as long, I'm just going to show you guys how I am going to be styling this wig today and putting it into a style. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And yeah, we're about to get straight into it. Hello you guys, so first I am going to start off by doing the edges on this wig. I always like to freshen up my edges when I am freshening up the frontal of my wig. So yes, I start off by making the edge and forming it in the direction I want to form it in. You always want to stay consistent with your edges and make sure they look really good. So yes, I did my sideburns and I formed them how I wanted to form them. I like them thick. I don't know about you guys, but I like my sideburns to be thick. Don't forget to have a lace band so you could lock that lace and also those edges as well. And for Waterwave wigs, I also want you to remember to use a spray bottle. When you just are trying to wet your wig over the sink, it could be really hard. I've tried it before when I lost my water bottle. And yes, have some moisturizer for it as well, so the curls could stay tight and intact, and that so the curls won't drop. I like to moisturize it and then ball it up. And yes, this moisturizer that I am using is for my daughter's hair. I just stole it. I just stole a little bit out so that this wig could look really good and I could have like an ending. So me, I like to make sure my part is looking good. I did a middle part with 2 ponytails, and I used rubber bands to make those ponytails. And the ponytails aren't really big. I just did like 2 little ponytails because it is a 13x for a wig. It is not a 13 by 6. So the ponytails I couldn't make really, really big. But yes, I finished one of the ponytails. And as you can see, the wig is really thick and it is soft. But I am adding water to it so that it could stay moisturized. And yes, I made the other ponytail the same length and the same size because yeah, you got to. And yep, I used a rubber band for that one as well. But I wanted to make sure it looked good, so I had to like redo it a little bit to make sure that rubber band is actually on there and stuck on there and won't come loose. And sometimes when I want to make my ponytails tight, I just stretch the hair out. But yeah, I'm going to touch up on these edges because yeah, that's what I'm going to do before I even end this video. And yes, the edges look really, really good. So make sure your edges are formed pretty neat and how you want them to be formed. Make sure you do that. Sorry guys, I'm going by the TV. Let me press pause on the TV. I have to put my TV on pause. Okay, and yes, I needed to put my phone on the charger, so y'all don't mind that inconvenience that I just did. My phone was on 1% and I'm doing this voiceover, so I didn't want my voiceover to just end on y'all and I would have to start all the way over. But yeah, I'm giving y'all a quick little look in the mirror of how it looks. It looks pretty good. Y'all, I like this little style. And yes, that is how it looks at the end. Voila. 2 ponytails in the front and some hair down in the back. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright you guys, so I am done with styling this wig. It looks really good. I did show you guys the moisturizer, the oil that I use to make it stay curly. So make sure you guys look at that. And y'all, I am gonna put the link to this wig in the description below. So yeah, if you're looking for this wig, it's gonna be in the description. But yeah, I was just showing y'all a little way I could style this. The other day I did like a ponytail, and then yesterday I had it like to the side, but today I did like a middle part with the 2 ponytails and the edges. I should have had like a little edge there so it could be even. But yeah, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. I really do. I hope you guys enjoyed and enjoy my wig tutorials and my wig reviews because I love bringing them to you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for more. And yeah, follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok, and those links will be in the description below as well.
I've been